Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to change the default currency in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Control Panel. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on the Open option to continue. So here, if your window doesn't look like this, simply proceed to the upper right side of that. You can see the view by. Please click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you've set it, please navigate on the locating for region. So in my case, it is being placed here at the third row, aligning here next to network and sharing center. Click on it and eventually you'll be able to bring up the region window where here you need to click on additional settings and you will be able to see this one. And since the target of this video is to change the default currency, then by that, please proceed to the currency here next to numbers and you will be able to see the currency symbol. All you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key and you can set it into dollar or either euro. If you have a pound currency symbol here, you can also select that. Okay? So once you've set it, click on apply and then OK and click on apply and then OK. Once you're good, close the window and there you have that you have just successfully changed the default currency in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on changing your default currency in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.